Hello. We are back. Welcome, welcome. Green, yo. Let's start the show. And Kirk is here. Hello, Kirk. What's happening? How you guys doing? Look at gold. Eventually, it went up to that zone. You know, we talked about this. This was a 15-minute supply zone in London session. Beautiful run up there. And we took out that buy side at 55. I took a trade on gold, by the way. Hey, D-Pain. How you doing? Wenceslas, hello. Hey, Zacromonster, welcome back. Welcome back. Paul, good to see you back. Everybody. It is just an awesome day. I was long on gold. Upstream, I was long on gold from this fair value gap here. I told you guys the plan was this. If after 7 a.m. the price is still gonna be in a valuable fair value gap, in a proper fair value gap, then I take a long. So I took it, and so it was a nice little position. I took it on a MyFundedFutures eval as well, so I have a new funded account now, and I took it on a Bulenox, so it was good. This is the old Discord. It's not so far dead, but I haven't posted. So I will post everything there on Discord. Kirk, don't worry, everything I will put everything there. But that's why I said so far not much has happened lately. But I'm gonna post everything there, Kirk. Just, you know, I'll do my best. I really revamping. No, coach sign. I'm not in a position. I was long earlier on gold. Right now, I'm just kind of. Hold on. I do have a long position, only on an evaluation account though. Only on an eval. I do have a long position, but on an eval. But this is the testing account. This is the test account. Okay, so nothing special. Nothing on my funded accounts, and that's it. We're gonna talk on Discord, Kirk. We're gonna talk on Discord, 100%. I'm gonna post everything there about the times and when I'm available. So we'll be there. Here's the market open. Let's see. It might just gonna go to the stop loss straight away. So who knows? That was easy, right? Okay, so 15-minute supply zone higher is what I think we can go to. Oh my gosh, look at this run. Wow. What a run. You shorted gold? Nice. Hey Navab, how's it going? I mean, oh, I thought that now you shorted. Sorry. Oh, okay. So you were short here and then it just got higher. Oh. I'm sorry about that. Well, it happens. It happens. That's why, you know, that's why it's so important to have a plan. When you have a plan, it gets easier. So for example, right now my plan would be to go to that 15-minute supply zone. It would be awesome to get there, that's for sure. But which account should I take? I might take a Bully account. Yeah, maybe I. All right. All right. I'm waiting for a... All right, super aggressive position. Took a small long position, nothing extra. If this is going to be a continuation. If not, I'm just going to close it with a small loss. Targeting the 30s. So I entered to a long position, but only because I was waiting a lot for this to go up there. So let me show you. Here's the trade. It's not looking good. Only 2 micros, so nothing fancy. I'm just kind of curious if this one is going to make a run for it. That is it. Not copy trading it. MB Trader, good morning. Maybe I was a little bit too early on this. I feel like. But whatever. It's too late now, I guess. Gold is still going up there. Oh man, I have some bad feelings now about this long position. Anyway, we'll see. If it's not going to go for that zone, I still have a plan. Huge rejection here. I wasn't expecting this. That it's going to be rejected this much. My stop is at 92. Itwip, how's it going? Just close a small opening scalp. Nice. Yeah, that's good, Theo. I like it. I like it. I'm in a small position. I closed a scalp at the open, but now I was trying to anticipate that we might go up to the 30s. So I took an aggressive entry with 2 micros. So the entry is very bad, but the risk to reward ratio is still somewhat good. Anyway, if it goes below this level, then obviously I don't want to hold it. But I kind of like it. I'm here, just the market makers. It was the market makers. They told me, unfortunately, they might have to change the plan and push it down. But anyway. It is what it is. Gold still going higher. What a rejection. Wow. What a push to the downside. Still at the same spot. You know, maybe I jumped too early, but no problem. absolutely no problem. I might just close this position if it's gonna show this kind of weakness. Obviously I can wait with it, but what to wait for? Yeah, I closed it. I don't like this at all. Let's wait for the next opportunity. It was just a small position, so not a big deal. Maybe it wants to sweep the lows. What was the open? Well, almost. Almost swept it. Could be causing some trouble down here. Or it could be a bounce. We don't know. Yeah, maybe. Who knows? It's actually not that far, so I wouldn't be surprised at all if that would be the case. $8.30, right? It seems like it wants to go there. But what's below the Asia low? What is down there that could be so important for NQ to take? Because I don't see anything there. Closed my position with a very small tiny loss. It's absolutely fine, manageable. Okay, seems like we have signals here saying that we are gonna go down. Could be a chop as well. Yeah, Ron. Exactly. Exactly. Monday low at 590. You think so? Monday low? Oh my. You know what? Could be possible. But I mean, it's 300 points. There's a zone before that at 180. Could this be a sell-off? Looks like a bearish breaker, by the way, on the 1 minute. Also on the 3 minute. Also on the 5 minute. Look at that. Some would say we might be approaching the unicorn model right now. Tech stocks are dumping. Oh, really? Only Nvidia is up. Tesla is down. I haven't checked Apple. Long order is down there. Okay. Left behind since. Wow. Okay. So that could mean something. We might just gonna go down there. How about that? Do you guys think it will go down to the 30s? That would be interesting. Even if we would just see the what's the level here? There's a 7 a.m. low. There's a level at 59. I don't know. Seems heavy. But could be a chop. Yeah. It's signaling a short. But I don't see a confirmation here to go short. There's a 1 minute gap at, let me just check it, where at 900.25. If it wants to bounce back up there. If it wants to be a proper breaker. But it can also just go down like super crazy from here. You know, down to the 30s. I guess we'll see. We should see. Or tagging the 50s. There's a level at 53, I think. Low is 52.75. I don't know if it wants to go down there. Let's wait. It could be. It can very well be. Exactly. Exactly. Kind of curious. Is it gonna bounce back? Because I'm interested in a short on the breaker, but the target is not clear for me. All I have is those lows down there, and so that's why it's unclear. It's not going back up yet. No bounce. If it goes down, it has to take out that 52.75, I think. Very tricky. 10 points. Yeah, I heard about Prop Shop Trader, yeah. I don't know much else about them. I was thinking to try it out, but I haven't done it yet. But I heard about them, yes, yes, yes. So. Stay below 811, short till 600. A bit of a long shot, but it can happen. I'm actually waiting for a possible bounce right here. So let's see if it happens, or is it going to straight go down? We still have time until the macro, or are we in the macro right now? Hard to say. Show me the breaker. Yeah. I mean, the best breaker would be up there on the 5-minute gap. The question is now, that what's it gonna do? There is a possible sell side liquidity down there at 53. So I don't know what to play here. I don't know what's to play here. Just waiting. Should be going back up there. Yeah, right now. Maybe even back to the that level at 900 for liquidity. Where is the 5-minute or the 3-minute breaker? It's up at 96, I guess. I don't know. That's the 3-minute breaker. The high is 97.75. So that's also interesting. Now we are in the breaker. Okay, so now what to do, right? Should we target at 853? Tempting, I know. For NQ to take out Asia lows first before looking for longs. Yeah, that would be actually a good idea. That would be actually a good idea to look for. Maybe I can play around with an evaluation account. Do I have an eval somewhere that I can use? No, not this. Not this. Not this. Not this. Come on, there was an eval somewhere. There you go. Okay, going higher. Do I want to go in? Let's wait for this move. If it wants to take out the high or not. I'm not in a position, but let's wait. Supham, hello. Yeah, careful with the shorts. Yeah. Yeah, the market just doesn't care about bad news anymore. You know. The market doesn't care anymore. It just wants to go up all the time. So this was the opening range up there at 58. What's it gonna do now? Kind of curious. Vivian, hello. Yeah, it's chopping around a little bit. Or it can be just staying in this range. Yeah, I have nothing here. Not even the indicators are showing anything. Checking gold, but nothing. This one seems like just wants to keep pushing higher, but who knows? I don't like it. I'm gonna stay with my 15-minute supply zone plan, but to be honest, I'm gonna wait for a break before I do anything. So I'm just gonna wait for a break. If I see the break, I might gonna be interested. Otherwise, not really interested. So I'm just gonna keep on waiting. We still have time until 10 a.m. Who knows what's it gonna do? Chaz, hello, good afternoon. Oh, Trump is speaking right now. Okay. That's not good. That's not good. Anything can happen. Okay, okay. Oh, man. Trump is speaking. Okay, then. Let me look at gold. Yeah, gold is indecisive as well. Okay. Could be a chop day. There's just nothing else to say about this. Not sure if it wants to push anything or just wants to get back into the inverted gap. Let's wait for it. Made 250. Hey, congrats. Wow, that is good. That very good job. Very good job. Keep those base hits, Chaz, and you know, that's how to do it. Exactly. I'm trying to do the same here as well. If it shows me a break, I might gonna go for those Asia high and to the zone. If not, I'm just gonna wait for what's gonna happen here. Maybe nothing. I'm gonna wait to the trade to come to me. That is it. It's not breaking it yet. Jay, in overnight session, the daily chart shows lower high. Yeah, maybe. Maybe that's the case. Hard to say at this point. I mean, look at what's it doing right now. I think it might want to pick up liquidity from the gap below. I can easily imagine that scenario happening. If it's just not going to keep pushing higher, it has to go down for liquidity. And there's definitely a lot of liquidity on the downside. Yeah, nothing is happening. Yeah, it's interesting. I think it wants to pick up liquidity. Really? They don't like each other. Let's just say they are not BFFs. Right? They're not the best buds. Oh man, this price section is really something, right? Anyway, let's see what's it gonna do. It's still hovering here. No push to the upside. But the opening range was here at 30. Up there at 58, I guess. Is it okay? Now it's broken. Interesting. Very interesting. Shorted, not 47. Okay. Uh, Honestly, I might gonna go back to my original plan and try one more trade to the upside. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe I can get something out of this. The problem is we still have time until the I mean until 10 a.m. Maybe we just one micro. Should I do this? Should I not? Okay, I'm putting in a buy limit there at 51.75. If it goes back up down there and picking up some liquidity, that would be awesome. And I might add one more micro if it goes down there. So I have a limit order at 51.75. Actually, I put this on a different account right here. No stop or anything yet. I'm just kind of watching. It might just gonna go straight up there to the zone. 70 points, man. I don't want to miss this, to be honest. I feel like it wants to go for the 30s. All right. I jumped in with a market order, only with one micro. I'm going to add one more down at 50. I just have a feeling that it wants to go for it. It's just a very small position for now. Trying to target 29.75. If it goes down, so obviously the entry is not good, but the risk to reward ratio could be still good. I'm going to be putting one more down here if it goes down. Maybe it's going to be a market order. So I'm just going to wait for now. And for now, the stop is going to be somewhere a little bit lower. Otherwise, we'll see. At least to see the mortal victory of the day. Like, are we going to get it or not? I just want to go for a little bit of extra bucks here. China speaking also. Oh my god. Yeah, that's what they like to do. 2 accounts on this buy. Uh-oh. Okay, let's see. Cubic, hello. Triple fair value. I don't know what the heck is going to happen. This is... Anyway, it's going to be fun. Small position on a Friday. Let's not go crazy too much. Just a little bit. We're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy, right? All right, going down, it's fine. It's okay. Still waiting to add one more. Kind of curious about how's the price action gonna turn out. It's my second chance for the same target, so I don't think I'm gonna be pushing it too much after this. And you know, today I already made my profit that I wanted on Take Profit Trader as well, and on the other Bully account. So I'm okay. Oh, let's go, Harshit. That's very close. Be careful there. Maybe go with the micro maximum. You know. Just with the micro. Okay. Okay. Coming back down here. Back to the fair value gap. 15 Bulenox accounts. Oh, nice. Hey, thank you, Harshit. Passed 6 and failed 7. That's a very good result, by the way, Harshit. Out of 15, you passed 6. That is an excellent result. Just saying. You know, that is excellent. That is super great. And thank you for the support. Thank you very much. Just covered for an 8-point loss. I mean, nothing wrong with that. And at least you knew where to cover. I'm still kind of holding this. And I was expecting a little bit more movement to the upside. So, anyway. I was expecting more, but it's not happening. Okay, back into the gap. Should I add more or should I not? I have to decide. All right, I added one more. And I have to change my risk here. Yeah, so I'm only risking about 150 or 60 bucks on this. And my TP should be, yeah, 29.75. Okay, so 2 micros, and that is it. That is it, because if it goes back down, it wants to reprice that inversion gap. I don't want to see that. If it takes off from here, I'd like to see it go to the order block or supply zone. That's the only thing. My second chance for the same setup or same target, if it's not going to go, then I'm not going to force it. I'm just going to wait. I'm not going to copy trade on other accounts or anything, just one account. Bulenox is harder to pass because of the $1,000 daily loss. Well, you can go with the intraday trading. There is no daily loss limit. But obviously the end of day trading is better, right? It's spiking a little bit, but it's, I don't know. I was hoping that this was just accumulating and then going higher. But if not, then it's just not that kind of day. No daily loss on the option 1 accounts. Option right. Option 2 has a daily loss. Yeah. The option 2 account. But it's intraday, the option 1. So obviously different risk management. We got a little crazy. Oh my god. I just saw a nice on my funded futures. Oh my god. This is awesome. Okay. I just saw a short video on my funded futures. Jesus. That's so cool. I love it. Awesome. Oh my god. All right. Yeah, I'm singing Seal. You gotta be a little crazy, right? That clears your heartbeat. Yeah, I chose these colors for now. It's oh my god. Oh, this is cool. I liked. I'm just seeing some memes on Twitter. This is great. Okay. This made my day. Okay, what's up with the indicators? Nothing is showing up. Nothing. My gosh. Okay, let's go. We just want to see this rolling higher, right? That's the goal. That's why we're here. It's just range, yeah. Man, I don't know how long it's gonna take for it. I just want to see it go. Please go. Please. I just want to see it go up there. That's all I want. Is it too much to ask? Let's go. Come on. All right, let's see. I'm sorry, I was just reading a little bit. I don't know what to do. Kind of a slow movement here, but I'm just hoping that we will see some, at least, price trying to tag the zone. If he will be, if Trump said no. Oh, he can't fire him, I've been told. As far as I researched, Trump can't fire Powell. Is that, I don't know, obviously, how it goes in the U.S., but I've been told he does not have the authority to fire Powell. But I don't know. It's all just speculation, right? Exactly, Zacromancer. You could not have said it better. Trader's life is mostly waiting. 80% of the game. Maybe even 90% of the game, I would say. You know, so trading should be boring. You know. That's what we're doing. Trading should be boring. Oh man, this is very, very slow. Very slow. And I don't like these pullbacks. I really don't like the pullbacks here. Just waiting patiently for the trade to go in our way. Right? That's what we're waiting for. Okay. Yeah, I'm in a trade. In a long position for now. Looking for this 15-minute supply zone up there for now. So hopefully we can get there together as a team. The pump. You know, we need to play the pump song, I think. You know, the pump. This system for moving stop? No system for that. No. Just returning from a tax deductible message. What? Yeah, let's go. Let's keep pumping this.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
The pump.
The greatest feeling you can get is the pump.
The pump.
Your muscles get a really tight feeling, like your skin is going to explode any minute. You know, it's really tight. It's like somebody blowing air into your muscle. It just blows up, and it feels different. It feels fantastic. The pump. It's different.
The pump.
The pump. It's fantastic. The pump. It's different. The pump. It's fantastic. It sounds like the beer is coming.
That's what I told the masseuse. All right.
So can you believe how much?
Oh, definitely.
I'm like getting the feeling of coming in the gym, coming in
The pump.
coming backstage when I pump up, when I pose out in front of 5,000 people.
Come on, pump
The
it.
same feeling, so I'm coming day and night. That's really cool.
The pump. The pump.
The pump.
The pump.
The pump. The pump. The pump.
The pump.
The pump. The pump. Terrific, right? The pump. The pump.
Let's go. All right. It was fun. The pump. We want the pump. So I hope the market makers are busy now, pushing this to all-time high. The pump. Oh no, it's now coming back. Let me check the indicators here. Nothing on NQ yet. Gold is also, it's in a sideways movement. But NQ goes really nicely here. And we still have some time in the silver bullet hours, so I see no other target here than the zone. You know, the zone. Trading in the zone. As we have 4 10K tick bars. Oh, completely green. 5 tick bars are the end of the current move. Oh my, well. It could go sideways. If it gets too sloppy, I might have to close it, but I don't know. We'll see. All right, let's see. Are we gonna go higher? We should see a pullback. 100% of overnight gap closed. Okay, so that's gonna make it a little bit, well, harder for it to reach that zone. We'll see. Ba-da-da-ba. There was a bit of a pullback here. So look at this push. We love this. When it fills, we should see one final push. Well, now comes the big decision point. Are we going to see a drop here? This is technically an ICT short entry, by the way. So it doesn't necessarily have to fill that gap. But we definitely have one more at 06. Are we going to go higher? That's the big question. You know. Should play. It's time to pump it up. Yeah. Hopefully. Hopefully. Going sideways here. Man. %85 full. Okay. It's like a countdown. JY, hello. I needed that confirmation. Thank you, JY. I was starting to feel myself unloved a little bit, but now it's much better. It's actually much better. 90%. Come on, man. I'm starting to shake now, Jay. It's 90% now. Oh no. We need like 200% more to go up there. Come on, 95%? No. You'll see one final push. Oh no. Oh no. If we reach 100%, are we gonna take the elevator? I just don't. I'm confused. If we're taking the elevator down, Yoshi is saying he wants to short this. Come on, guys. I need this to push a little bit more. Obviously, it's going to be hard because it still needs like 40 points almost. So definitely not a simple situation. I'm expecting a pullback myself, but we'll see. It's definitely a bit of a, well, interesting situation here. Come on. Let's go. We filled it. Oh. Oh no. That's not good. I mean, I don't know what to do. Oh no. Is it running into the downtrend now? Oh man, I don't like this. Yesterday you blow 3 from my funded the funded accounts that take profit trader. Man, MB, what happened there? I guess it was over trading a little bit, right? I'm sorry to hear that. That could be frustrating. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry about that. The thing is, you have the weekend now, and I think, you should have, just relax. There you go. So over trading. So you should just relax, sit back. Obviously need to recharge. And if you know that you were over trading, I guess the entry model was good, right? So your entries were good. I'm guessing you know all about, those levels that you're looking for. The hard part is just accepting that loss. Everybody has the same problem. Accepting that loss is the hard thing. I know. Yoshi is under trading. If you're under trading, that means you are very patient. I hope. That's a skill, by the way. Oh man. Oh man, I thought this is gonna happen. It's getting weak. Jay was right. It's getting weak. I'm willing to accept the loss on this. I'm okay with it. Do we remove your stop? I don't like to move my stop. It's rare when I move my stop. I would rather take my full loss than getting out at break even and then seeing my trade go to the TP. It happened to me so many times, and the most frustrating feeling that I had and I still have until nowadays in trading is the FOMO. So I said no thank you. I would rather take that full stop loss and know that I was wrong than being left out of the game or let the train leave without me. So, and usually because the market makers are watching the stream all the time, whenever I put my stop to break even, the market just goes there, wicks me out with one single tick, and then goes to my TP. So yeah, the market makers are doing it actually. It's fear. Yeah. Fear is normal for a certain degree. There's no problem with that. Just a second. My target price would be 29.75. It's just below the zone. SPY has a little gap left. Oh, we'll see it's enough or not. What's on your other chart that give you signals? I mean, this has not been taken by indicators or signals or whatever. I just took it based on the ICT entry here. So that was it. And because I was looking for that 15-minute zone up there. And that's it. That was it. That was it. Sorry, let me read this. Gap fill reverse could be, maybe. 50,000 positive ticks and then it corrects, and vice versa. Actually, you were right, Jay. Absolutely. It's still this, yeah, never forget. Exactly. Frustration, the anger. Exactly. I'm still long. Yes, yes, yes. My position is still here. I'm still in the position. Engulfing 10k tick bar. Oh, that's not good. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All right. Still watching. Still watching. Uptrending MACD. I guess we need to wait. Man, I feel like it might not gonna have enough steam to push it higher. But it is what it is. Not much we can do. Oh, why is it just going sideways? To the cliff. Maybe it will go. I'm not sure. Whoa! What is happening? What?
After a week of breaking even and taking small losses from overtrading, I finally stepped back, reset, and waited patiently for a plus setup. That discipline paid off today. I walked away with $3,000 in profit. Love you, Tom. Heart hands emoji.
Jesus. JY. Oh my God. I don't know what to say. JY, first of all, congratulations for the $3,000 in profit. Oh my God. That is an excellent job, and really no words. And you know, that discipline and stepping back, waiting for the trade to come to your way, that is actually something that really pays off in the long run, right? That's the real thing. Oh my, that is just. I'm just going to. I just have to. I just have to do a screenshot of this. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the donation, for the kind words. JY, I don't know what to say. I really don't know. This is, I mean, other than this is a great result. And JY, if you don't mind, I'm just gonna put it out there. So oh no, the trade is going down. JY, oh my gosh, thank you again. Very good job. I'm just gonna put it out there. I'm just gonna put it out there because I think it's amazing. Let me just cut this out properly. Awesome. I needed to put this out. Very good job. Oh, I don't even know what is happening. Should have taken that short. Yeah, I guess me too. But at least I will know that I was wrong. Eventually. How is gold doing? Gold is making new all-time highs here. And this one seems like it just wants to waterfall. It just wants to waterfall. Let's see if this is gonna be enough or not. The problem is we're approaching the 11 a.m. hour, so bears can take over here. And unfortunately, we might go back to that inversion gap down there. It is what it is. Not much we can do with it. But I would rather take the full stop, I told you guys. All right, guys. You know what? I have to go now. I just have a message. I need to take care of some stuff. I'm sorry to cut this so early, but this is important. I was messaging here with someone. Really, really important stuff here, and I just want to say, I'll be at MyFunded TV in about 34 minutes. Okay. I'm sorry. I just have to cut this up like this. We'll see what happens with the trade. Thank you for watching. If you would like to support the channel, don't forget the code TomSabo works everywhere. Get your TPT accounts and MyFundedFutures accounts and Apex, Bulenox, you know, Funded Futures Network and all the others, DAYTRADERS, etc. Take it. I have to go. I have to run. I'll be at MyFunded TV shortly. All right. Cheers, everyone, and God bless.